Ma-ex manyama Maloti came to Hwinzas defense mushure mekunge song yake yarohwa ne-copyright claim kukanzi ndeye Stallion Gang. Ataura iye achibva ati even you Holyten, we do not need you. His song is a hit, he doesn't need a collabo with you. Welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Ma-ex akadai ndiwoka vanhu vanikwepiko vamwe vachinyengana vachinyengwa tiripiko naivedwe. Alright, so anyora akati stop trying to ride on someone's wave. Your time will come. Keep working and stop being jealous of the song becoming a hit song. Denga is song ya hwinza. He first recorded that song over 7 years ago, way before he had access to better studios, the likes of Anna Oskid, etc. And don't think people are actually starting to see Hwinza's talent because of Denga. No, it's because of his hard work and consistency. That nigga works hard. And he has a lot of even way better songs than Denga. It's just that angasina exposure. You wanted him to feature on your song and he said the song was work. Then the day you came to Harare, you wanted to pay $70. And that day he was re-recording that song, Denga, Kwa Ghost. Even the beat he created, the melody with his own mouth. Then you said it was good. Then you asked to feature on that one and you paid for the studio time. I even have the one from 7 years ago when he first recorded it. If you listen to Hwinza's songs, you see kuti anenge aka re-recordwa 2 times. Most of his hits akatanga kui-recorda somewhere and he felt that it was a hit. That's why when he had an opportunity to re-record it at Chill Spot, it became a hit because of the quality and exposure. Same thing with Baby Rangu. He recorded it 2 times before recording it again, get it through Chill Spot. All these songs that he is realizing, akamaimba kare. Hwinza has over 1K released songs. And released in December when we parted ways, he had over 200 new unreleased songs. Because I told him that he mustn't keep on releasing music. He must just keep pushing on re-recording those songs. Asina kurira arimahombe. So just like Sorojena, his debut album, I believe it's one of the greatest albums of all times. If you all get time to listen to it. Sorojena's album, Kanyamatopi, EP Maraiwa, the album. Even if you check the lyrics he put on Denga, he took them from his other songs as Nakurera. So how can Stallion Gangster claim that that's his song? So nyaya iyoyo iri kurwadza zvikuru because Denga was actually a hit. I listened to the beat nezvese they say aiwa zvinhu zvakarongeka, my lyrics on point. Kusvika Holyten atoti aiwa kamukomana kwanini wakandisirei vabva vaedhawo zvistanza zvavo zvokuti vagonewo kuitawo relevant, but it was already too late. Song yange yatokandiwa pa YouTube. Yes, pa edwana Holyten eparibo chichine voice what but Hwinza guys aiwa, he actually went out of his way kuburitsa ka song aka. Okay, so Denga, as you know, kuti yambobvisiwa zvishoma. Vana Stallion Gang ava vanofanira kutaurwa navo varegedze nziyo idzoke kako. Isusu takangomirira kuti tinyatsopinda mumapati nayo asi andipotaura nyaya iyi. Ex ava ndo wife material. Hwinza anofanira kukumbira regerero vodzokera namaloti, because you can imagine kuti ex yako inomira newe igorwa pa social media achirwira iwe. Guys, ndo kama wife material. Please do leave your comments on what you think about this relationship. Iko kupera kwayo kwakanga kusiri tatisina kugadzirira, because vanga vari a hot couple, then all of a sudden vangoita fall out. But for now tiri kungokumbira kuti vadzokerana.